EVGA SuperNOVA 1000 P2 Platinum. It's a 1000-watt Platinum power supply. Looked at a lot of power supplies. It's nicely packaged. Uses Japanese capacitors. It's a modular design. Has a quiet cooling, and I went for this one because some of the digital ones seem to have quite a bit of number of failures compared to this, and when they did fail, they seem to take out a lot of things. And see people talking about these analog power supplies in quite that same way. So we're just breaking the safety. Okay, so we have a nice little pouch that we can use to put the cables in when we're ready. We have a nice heavy-duty power cord. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the motherboard power connector. You can see lots of heavy-duty wires, heat shrink tubing, nice braiding, and then connections. Oh, this probably goes to the power supply end, and this goes to the motherboard end. Looks like we have some Velcro or some cloth type ties to wrap everything up on the motherboard. And then we have a bunch of nice, oh, these look like, maybe these are connectors for drives, SATA power cables. These are your standard Molex plug cables. Looks like more connectors for SATA drives. Lots of them here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We won't count that one. There's a CPU cable. And then another, what's this one? Not sure what that's for, but it looks like some kind of Molex. And then, well, it looks like connectors for VGA, a bunch of VGA connectors. So these are all nicely braided. Nice things. Looks like we have mounting screws. Some kind of dummy plug. Let's set these aside here. Power supply is. Oh, it looks like you got a book. Oh, it even comes with a nice cover. Oh, wow. Okay. So you have the certified power. You have all the nice connectors. A nice big fan. Looks like some pretty nicely done PC board. I could see a little bit of it in there. So there you go for the power supply. Very nice.